here we are with our leaf, and we've drawn the veins on. You draw them as you like. You can follow the pattern or you can change them a bit. I'm going to start here. Let me just point to that right here. At this point here, I guess we can start like this, go down, go back up, so on that seam, and then turn it, and then we'll start doing the veins. So I'll give a nice thick vein here, and then we'll go out. So let's get started. Let's start here. I'm using the champagne colored thread that I used around the edges inside the stitching. So let's make sure we have a kind of a longish stitch, and let's go.